So the front speakers in my Ford Focus are not working, and in this video I'll show you how to change them. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay with me till the end of the video. So only tweeters are working somehow in this case, but not the main speakers. So I've checked everything in the stereo, but nothing is wrong. So on the left door under the armrest, take this plastic tool and remove this part. Just push it in and then slowly and gently pull it out. Don't use the screwdriver or metal thing, as it will put marks on the plastic. So if you're gentle, if you're as I'm doing, so it shouldn't be a problem. So as it comes out, put it on the side, and then you have to remove these two clips. Press this notch in the middle and it should easily come out, and then press this notch again on this one and it should come out. So and next you have two bolts or screws, 8mm, and I'll remove, you can remove it by manual tool or by drill as I have. So it's pretty quick. But the next, I couldn't show you how to remove the door card because the camera was off. So you just have to pull it. Move the door card, you just have to pull from the bottom, put this plastic tool, this orange tool from one corner, stay close to the holding clips, and when you have removed one clip, first clip will be difficult, but then it will be a bit easy. So then gently keep pulling. I would prefer use the hand gloves, otherwise it can pinch your palm. So and then gently pull all the sides and it should come out. Next, I will put the speaker wires of the new speaker and check if it's working, and double check, like if the speaker is working, the new speaker, and then the old speaker is bad. So in this case, I'll show you a cheaper method, an easier method to replace the speaker. So cut the speaker out with a knife, this plastic part, and then after that you can use the saw, metal saw or whatever tool you want, to remove all the plastic sides and anything that can affect when you install the new speaker. That won't let the new speaker fit. So work your way with whatever tool you want. I have this plier, so when everything is nice and clean and removed, then you can put the new speaker. So this flat side on the sides, so look at the mess that I've removed. So this flat side should stay intact because this is where you're gonna put the screws, this flat place. Don't break this one, because otherwise you have to remove this whole ring, the plastic ring, put in the new this metal things or screws. But then put the speaker on, it should fit nice and easy on all sides, and there are no bumps and nothing is like hindering it. And then you put those, before that you need to drill a hole for a cable, because previously there was just a clip on the top, but now you have to put the speaker wires through it. So use whatever drill you want and drill a hole. So drill hole is done, and then put the speaker wire through this hole and put the clips on the other end, and then we will connect the speakers now. Connect the speakers. In this one, there was no big and small terminal. In my speakers, usually there are, but in this one, this is a coaxial cheaper speaker, so you can use whatever speaker you want. So now we have the speaker ready. So now I'll put it. There are 4 places for the screws. I will use the screws that came with the speaker. I think they're okay, but don't use the super fast drill, otherwise you will destroy the plastic on the bottom, because I used 3. Then I have one hand on the speaker. If someone is holding, it's easy, and then you can drill it, but use the slow speed drill. Don't use the very fast drill, otherwise it can destroy the plastic. So we'll do the 3, the second one, and now the third one, and finally we'll put the 4th one, and then it's done. But the 4th one, I guess I went way too fast. I bit of destroyed the plastic. I felt that, but it's also okay with the 3 screws. So it should work, it should be fine, and it should hold. So now the speaker wire is properly secured and connected to the stereo. The thin ones are going to the tweeter, and there are two pair of thicker ones with different color, so they are going to the stereo, so we're going to use them. And then I'm going to put the tape. And then you put the clips, you remove the clips from the door, and then you put those black clips back into the door card like this and push it in all the way in. Do that with all the clips, so that this is the only way that you can put the door card back. Otherwise, if the clips are already there, you cannot put the door card back. So put all the clips back, and then you can push the door card in. Pushing the door card in is a bit tricky also. So you have to like wiggle it around a little bit from the top and the bottom, and then you have to like then you have to punch on the actual where the clips sit, then it's better. So I'll put the door card back. It was a bit wiggling and bit tricky, but I finally got it in. Work from the top, from where the window goes in and out. Work from the top, and then if the clips are in the right position in the holes, and then you can just punch, and then it should work. Door card is in. Yes, punch where the clips are, and it should work. I'm checking from the top, and I'll put this this piece. This one can also be tricky, so you need to press on the edges really well, then it would fit like that. Put the lower piece in. Look at the clips and the holes and how it should sit, and then it's just you need to press it in and it should be fine. Bang, 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 bang. So that's how you change the speakers. Of course, I've tested them, they work fine. The door card is sitting well. Look at the edges, look at the seams around. The door card is fitting fine. Now I'll do the other side. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and now you can easily change, not easily, but it takes some effort, but the steps are easy. You can change the front speakers of Ford Focus, because I think it has bad speakers, so most of you have problems with that. But don't forget to subscribe the channel and ask questions. Maybe I've missed some step, and if you're stuck somewhere, you can ask me. Have a nice day. Bye.